this I made 100 years ago. It fits on there. I don't know how because I can't remember. And then it allows you to make balls. Balls, man, balls. So I thought we'd have a crack at it just to see if I could remember how it worked. Comes off. Right. See, now what did I do with that rag? And that must have fitted on there like that, but it mustn't be tight because it's got to move. So let me just how it works. Yeah. Get it just about right and everything will be alright. Right, what was I going to do? Try and sharpen that up. I want to put a ball on the end and then make it so it fits into my press out there. So that goes about there and you decide what sort of size ball you want. So let's say we want that size. Lock that off. Chuck it. How close can I go to them jaws without hitting? Let's start a bit there. Right, are we ready? That's pretty good. one. We don't need to be messing up too much. So that's that tool. Ba-da-ba. Right. Let's go. Let's go see if it fits. Any water here? What's this water here? Let's just cool that down a bit. My garden's got no wind. What I'm hoping is this fits up that hole. There. See? Because I've been scrounging through my boxes, I also come across this. Now, I made this about 100 years ago. And what it is, if it still works, might not, is a quick release. So you put your tool in, let's see if we got a tool here. You put your tool in, this is a bit tight, there. Put your tool in, see that? You put your tool in there, and you grind your tool so it's the right height for cutting. Now we've got two Allen keys here. The first Allen key is to hold the holder in, the second Allen key goes down into this hole and locks the bit. So slides in there like that. I don't know. Right, so you can block the back one. That'll still come out. Take it out, go sharpen it, bring it back. But the front one will go deeper, so it will lock in that one. It's a quick release.